What else did the doctor say?
No more get no doctor. Just Dr. Seal.
Dr. Steele?
Yeah, I was go there to the school bus. And I was sick.
What did the doctor say you can't have?
No talking.
No chocolate? Oh. What can you eat? Tomatoes? Oh.
I was sick.
You were sick? What was wrong?
My body's sick. My body's serious. My body's dead.
Your body's dead.
My body dead.
Uh-oh.
Sick and feel better. This longer did in Dr. Cell. No more and no letters.
No leather?
Yeah.
Oh.
My body's dead. It was sick. And the doctor said, and Dr. Cell said, my body's okay. And that body's sick. No kids do that.
He said little kids do that? Oh. You feel better now? You're not sick anymore?
No.
Oh.
Halloween.
You saw Halloween?
I need my brew, I need my juice.